You can actually use a real video as your iPhone lock screen in 2026. And I don't mean a fake animation or a still image that just looks like it's moving. I mean an actual video that plays when you wake your phone. You don't need to jailbreak your iPhone, and you don't need to pay for anything. This works on the regular iOS version, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. So let's start from the beginning. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on the search bar at the bottom. Type into Live and look for the app with that exact name. This is a free app that turns any video on your phone into a live photo. And live photos are what iOS uses for animated lock screen wallpapers. Download the app and open it once it's installed. When it opens, you'll see a few different options on the main screen. The one you want is called Live Wallpaper, so tap on that. This will open your photo library and let you pick a video or a GIF that's already saved on your phone. It can be anything: a short clip you recorded, a screen recording, or even a video you downloaded. After you select the video, the app will show you a preview. At this point, you'll notice that it doesn't let you keep the entire video. That's normal. iPhone lock screen wallpapers work as short loops, so the app automatically limits the length to just a few seconds. Use the slider at the bottom to choose the exact part of the video you want to keep. Pick the moment that looks best when it repeats, because this is the part you'll see every time you wake your phone. Once you're happy with the selection, tap Done. On the next screen, you'll see a few simple editing options. You can crop the video so it fits your screen better, adjust its position, or apply very light changes if you want. You don't need to spend a lot of time here. The main goal is just to make sure the video looks good in a vertical format. When everything looks right, tap the share icon and then choose Save as Live Photo. The app will now convert your video and save it to your Photos app as a live photo. In the next part, I'll show you how to take that live photo and actually set it as your lock screen so the animation works when you wake your iPhone. Now that your video has been saved as a live photo, the rest happens directly inside your iPhone's own settings. You don't need the app anymore for this part. Open the Photos app and find the live photo you just created. It will look like a normal image at first, but you'll see the small Live label at the top when you open it. Press and hold on the photo for a second, and you should see it animate. That's how you know it worked. Tap the share icon at the bottom left of the screen, then scroll down and choose Use as Wallpaper. You'll now see the lock screen preview. This part is important. At the bottom of the screen, make sure the live photo option is turned on. If it's off, the wallpaper will stay static and won't move. When it's enabled, you can press on the screen and watch the video play in the background. Adjust the position so it looks right on your screen. You can pinch to zoom slightly or drag it up and down until it feels centered. Once it looks good, tap Add at the top right. Then choose Set as Lock Screen. That's it. Lock your phone. Now wake the screen and press and hold on the lock screen for a moment. You'll see your video come to life right there behind the clock. Every time you wake your phone, that short clip will play. One thing to keep in mind is battery usage. Because this is an animated lock screen, it can use a bit more power than a normal photo. It's not dramatic, but it's something to be aware of. Many people like to use this for a few days, enjoy it, and then switch back to a normal wallpaper later. But now you know how it works. You can turn any short clip, a memory, a pet video, a city shot, even a screen recording, into something personal that shows up every time you unlock your iPhone. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips like this.